Good morning. My vlog today is going to be a rainy day vlog. Well, since it's raining. Anyways, I'm going to go out and get some coffee, come back, and relax. Before I do, I need to do my skincare. I make sure to do my skincare every morning and every night. I think it's really helped my skin since I've started. Maybe I'll go do a vlog on that soon and show you guys what I use. Okay, I'm almost done. I just need to get dressed after this. I think this new lip gloss I got the other day looks cute on me. Yep, this is definitely my favorite now. Time to get dressed. All dressed, I just need to find my water bottle. Oh, there it is. Now it's time to go. I should get a caramel drink. I think caramel reminds me of Christmas. I have no idea why, and it is getting close to Christmas. I just love winter. It's when I get to be all cozy and drink hot coffee. I should get one for Franklin. This is so good. I should get this more often. It is really raining outside. I wonder when it's gonna stop. Hey, Franklin.
Hey, babe.
I got you a coffee chocolate chip frappuccino.
Thank you. You know that's my favorite.
No problem. I have to go, but I love you.
Okay, bye, babe.
He's so sweet. Okay, now to go home and get cozy. I'm just gonna flap on the bed. I need to change and then I can relax. love doing some online shopping. It's my same space. I should go check if the rain stopped. Yep, I guess it stopped. I didn't need that umbrella then. I just absolutely love rainy days, maybe when it's not so cold, but I still love it. Winter is definitely my favorite season.